Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back with me, Sabina Wahyuni. So today in this video, I want to answer 5 questions for my final exam for subject Instructional Material Development. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now I want to answer the first question. Question number 1 is, to what extent were you able to implement your RPP during the teaching practice? Which parts went according to plan and which part had to be adjusted? Explain why. So my answer for question number 1 is quite good. The part that went according to plan was the response of the students, which was as I expected. They listened, asked questions if they didn't understand, and read well when I told them to read. And for the part that needed adjustment, I needed to explain about the use of spelling rules for the ing form, but due to time constraint, I only explained a little and not in great detail. Next, I want to answer question number 2. Question number 2 is, explain how the role of teacher goes beyond delivering content and includes designing effective and engaging instructional materials. What are the key skills a teacher must have in this role? And my answer for question number 2 is, the key skills a teacher must have in this role is 1. Pedagogical content knowledge, understanding how to effectively teach specific content. Number 2 is curriculum development, ability to plan and sequence learning experience. Number 3 is material design, creativity and technical skills to create varied and appropriate materials. Number 4 is technology integration, proficiency in using digital tools to enhance teaching. Number 5 is assessments design, ability to create assessments that truly measure learning. Number 6 is differentiation, adapting materials and instruction to meet different students' needs. Number 7 is critical thinking and problem solving, ability to identify learning gaps and design materials to address them. Number 8 is creativity and innovation, thinking outside the box to make learning engaging. And number 9 is feedback and revision, willingness to gather feedback and refine materials. Next, question number 3. Analyze how Duolingo can be integrated into the English learning process at the senior high school level. Provide an example of a classroom activity that involves using the application. My answer for question number 3 is, Duolingo can be used as a fun and independent learning tool. This application is suitable for improving vocabulary and reading, speaking, and listening skills. An example of a classroom activity is that the teacher can design students to complete one learning unit on Duolingo as a homework. In class, students are then asked to discuss new vocabulary they learn and use it in conversation. This activity combines digital and face-to-face learning. Next, for the question number 4, what was the most important lesson you gained from the reflection and instructional design tasks using Duolingo? How did it affect your understanding of technology integration in education? My answer for question number 4 is, the most important lesson I learned was the profound impact of gamification on student engagement. Seeing how the competitive elements and instant feedback in Duolingo motivated students to spend more time practicing English was very eye-opening. I became more aware that technology integration doesn't have to be complicated as long as the goal is clear and in line with students' needs. with students' needs. Reflection from this text helped me understand that the teacher's role is also as a technology facilitator in the classroom, not just an instructor. And for the question number 5 is, based on your overall learning experience in this course, what are your future plans for improving your ability to design and implement innovative and contextual instructional materials? My answer for question number 5 is I plan to continue exploring educational technology and new digital tools through online courses, webinars, and professional development workshops. I will actively seek opportunities to apply the instructional design principles learned in this course to my future teaching practice, starting with designing more interactive worksheets and multimedia presentation for my classes.